Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily enable Passkey in Microsoft Authenticator. So of course, you have to make sure that you already have the Microsoft Authenticator downloaded on your mobile device. Then let's just head over to the app. And from here, all you have to do is head over and log into your Microsoft account. So from here, all you have to do is log into your Microsoft account by clicking on Add Account, then choose Personal Account, then sign in with Microsoft. Once you're logged into your Microsoft account, just head over and click on the Add button. And from here, we're going to choose Other and scan the QR code. Or you can also enter code manually by clicking on the Enter Code Manually button. From here, all you have to do is enter in the account name and secret key. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!